Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon and today we're gonna do a little fall inspired makeup tutorial. It will be like a maroon, bronzy kind of look, just cause it is the fall season. It's one of my favorite seasons, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. The first thing I'll do is prime my face, so I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer, so I'm going to use the NYX HD concealer and the color CW04 Beige. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe Full Coverage Matte Foundation in the color F2.30. I'm gonna let my foundation and concealer set. I'm gonna move on to eyebrows. Sorry, they're not done, but we'll do the best we can. So of course I'm gonna go in and use a Smoke Shadow shade to fill out my eyebrows. Going back to face, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Powder. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to start by priming them with the Too Faced 24 Hour Shadow Insurance. For the base shade, I'm going to go in with the Naked 2 palette and use the color Foxy. For my crease, I'm going to be using the It's Duty Time palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Rebel from the Tarte and Bloom palette and also put it in my crease to try to deepen it up a little. So what I just did with that shade, I also put it on like the outer and inner third of my eye. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Firecracker here and put it in the middle third, and I'm just gonna use my finger And to layer on top of that, I'm gonna go back in with the Naked 2 palette and use the color Chopper. I'm gonna go back in and blend it out with the color Rebel. Then for the inner corner, I'm gonna use the Naked 2 palette and use the color Booty Call. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to go back in with the color Rebel that I had on crease in the inner and outer corner and just put it on the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna line my upper lash line with 24 Hour Pencil Eyeliner by Mina and curl my eyelashes and then use the L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof Mascara. Then for my bottom lash line, I'm going to line it using the Urban Decay 24/7, glide on eye pencil and the color 0, and then use the same mascara. Moving back to the face, I'm gonna bronze my face using the Star Bronzer Natural Glow by Lancome in the color 02 Solaire. Looks like this. Then as a contour, I'm going to be using the Ellen Tracy Bronzing Trio. Looks like this. And I'm going to be using the 2 brown shades. As sort of a nude blush, I'm going to go in with the 3rd color in the Bronzing Trio and use it. I'm going to move on to highlighter, and guys, I actually have a highlighter. It's the Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter. lastly, I'm gonna do my lips. So for lipstick, I'm gonna be using this little shade. It's like a dark red, and it is Estee Lauder number 23 Rich Currant. So guys, this is a finished makeup look. It's a super easy fall makeup look that anyone can do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe down below to see more makeup tutorials and some of my daily vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.